pretty late at night and I still need to cook dinner, so I thought it'd be the perfect time to do a really quick review of my Victorinox Swiss Classic chef's knife. This was my very first kitchen knife out of college and the only cooking knife that I owned for a really long time because it is so versatile. Like, you can use this to cut through meat and vegetables and pretty much anything you use it on with ease. I haven't even had to sharpen it over the years because it's held up its edge so well, and to prove that, I'm going to show you just how easily it can still cut through things as I prepare my last minute fried rice right now. And there you have it. As you just saw, I was able to slice through my chicken and vegetables using just 1 to 2 cuts each with this knife, and now my fried rice is ready in a matter of minutes. So if you're looking for a high quality kitchen knife that's incredibly versatile, will last you a lifetime, and doesn't really need any sharpening, then pick up this Swiss Classic chef knife from Victorinox and you're going to be set.